What's good, y'all? Welcome to another video. This is your Tactical Power Pro, the channel where knowledge is scoring times voltage. And in today's video, we'll be working on the Firman W3300ir, which is missing the pull start. But before we move to the rest of the video, I want you all to pull start that like button and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin by figuring out where your pull start recoil is located. So your pull start will be on this side. So let's get access. You want to get access to this side of the generator. You will have to remove this face. The generator was already missing this part of the housing, so easier for me. But we will have to remove the inverter, which only takes 2 bolts on this side and a screw right here. Once you remove that, you will have complete access to your pull start recoil. All right, so here we have the bare angle of the inverter. You just remove the 2 10mm bolts and then the screw that holds the inverter in place. Once we removed it, we will have better access to the pull start recoil. Once we remove the inverter, you get access to pull start recoil. So it looks like it has 1, 2, probably one more around here. So 3 bolts. So once you have your inverter out, to make it easier on you, you can remove your battery. You have to remove probably your air box. So then you have more clear access to the bolts on your pull start recoil. Once the battery is removed, you have clear access to this bolt right here. So the final bolt is located right there. You might need an extension to reach that one. All right, so we got that new pull start in position. Start tying up the bolts. So now that we got everything back in place, I'll pull the generator out, do the pull start, see if it works. All right, now that we're here, let's give it a start. That's it, yo. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to overcrank that like button and subscribe to my channel. And always remember that knowledge is current times voltage.